In this video, we will see how to use input message in cell of Excel. Let's start. This is my Excel data. In this name column, I already use input message to enter the name in uppercase. So if you want to use the input message in other column, so let's start how it's done. Just select the column, click on the data tab, click on the in data tools data validation, click on the input message. You select you enter here first title. I just enter info, then input the message those you want. I just enter the important message. Okay, just click on OK. Now you can see here when you select the any cell of this column, then you show this message. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.